Choosing a right keyword is a very crucial step in the success of your Google Ads campaign. And in this video, I will be doing a step-by-step tutorial on how to do keyword research for Google Ads campaign. So let's get started on this. So welcome everyone. This is me, Ali Raza. I'm a Google Ads, Facebook Ads, and Bing Ads certified advertising professional, as well as an owner of a Google partner company. And today I will be doing a step-by-step working on how to do Google Ads keyword research. But before I start, I want you guys to educate on a few things before selecting a keyword. So, what exactly is a keyword? So, for those who are questioning on what is a keyword, so my answer is like a keyword is basically a search query. So, for instance, you search something on Google that is known as a keyword. Let's say if I search how to make money online. Now, this is my keyword as well as a query which I search on Google. Keyword can be of various types. And before I move further on, what are the keyword categories on Google Ads? I wanted to inform you there are few categories of keywords as a general which everyone should be aware of. Keyword can be divided first into four categories. There can be informational keywords. Uh, I hope you guys can read it. And the other scenarios can be buying keywords, awareness keywords, comparison keywords. Uh, I can also label as buying or shopping keywords, uh, discount, deal keywords, local, geographical keywords, misspellings. Okay, I believe that these are few of the common categories for keywords. One is informational keyword. Informational keywords are those keywords where you want to know about the product. You need to understand the buying cycle of the consumer while he is searching a particular query. Let's say if I am selling my product is uh, I am selling a tool through which you can create a Google Ads perfect campaign. Let's say I'm selling a Google Ads service, and if I have to market my Google Ads service now in informational keywords, people may be searching what is Google Ads. Google is Google Ads good for earning online, or can I promote my business online through Google Ads? Okay, now these can be informational keywords where people want to know more about what is the keyword. The other keywords can be like buying or shopping keywords. In a buying or shopping keywords, you actually want to know, you want to buy. Like I want to buy, looking for Google Ads, PPC service, looking for our buy Google Ads management. Okay, now these are the buying keywords. You may need to understand this. And awareness keywords can also be related to information keywords because you want to know more about. But in awareness is you can also relate like you can, or even better, you can even link information keywords with awareness keywords, like I link the buying keywords and the shopping keywords because they are more like each other. But comparison keywords like Google Ads versus SEO, SEO versus SEM, these can be comparison keywords where you want to know which one is good. So you need to understand the intent behind the keyword. Okay, this keyword can be good, can bring good traffic, but here the customer do not want to buy Google Ads service. He just want to know the comparison. So if your strategy, if you want to promote your blog, or if I want to promote myself in a longer term, I might can target it, and I might can gain a customer in a longer run, but in a shorter period of time, in a shorter span, this keyword may not generate me a sale at the moment. So I need to understand. Now the discount or deal keywords can be like cheap, Google Ads management, Google Ads management, deals, promos. Like keywords like these can be deals through promo keywords. Geographical keywords could be like Google Ads services in New York, Google Ads services in London. You can also have near me keyword like PPC service near me. Okay, this can also be targeted keyword. This can also generate good sales with, even especially with local search campaigns. And misspellings could be Google ads. So keywords like these, where where there are misspellings, that can also be good. But no, I have so far seen that they are not actually very good. So now moving on to the keywords type with the Google ads, you have keywords type as a broad match, phrase match, exact match, and negative match. Okay, if I add if I add a dash with any keyword, with any word, it will be excluded. So the negative keywords are, for instance, I am targeting PPC service, but I do not want someone to show my ad if someone is searching PPC service as a cheap, because I'm selling a premium service. So I will add negative word as a cheap in my Google ads, and once someone searches with PPC service is cheap, my ad won't be shown. So now we are left with broad match, phrase match, and exact match. With a broad match, these are general keyword queries, and for instance, I can have anything as a broad match. For instance, if I am targeting PPC service, okay, so if someone search PPC word PPC, my ad will appear. If someone search PPC service, my ad will appear. And if someone search both word PPC service combined, my ad will be appeared. In general, I do not want, or I do not recommend people to target on broad match, because service can be other. If someone is searching for doctor service, my ad will be shown because the word service is shown. So if any part of the query is being shown, if being searched by a user, your ad will be shown. So that is actually a mess, and that will generate a very irrelevant traffic. So I do not recommend to target broad match, but my recommendation is to target phrase match or exact match. Phrase match has double quotation marks, and I can see PPC service. If someone search for PPC service or PPC service near me or good PPC service, my ad will be shown. So these, both of these words should be shown necessary in phrase match. Or exact match has brackets, and only if someone search for PPC service inside it, then my ad will be shown. So you need to understand what kind of keywords works very well with Google. So which is the reason which I have shown you. Now for doing a good keyword research, my recommendation is, even if you want, you guys can hire us as well. Me and my team can help you in creating an amazing, awesome keyword research for you. Even we can help you in creating an awesome, amazing Google ads campaign for you as well. But the process of creating or working is very good. We can also sort out your competitor keywords, for which you may need tools. But for a general someone who wanna create a good campaign, you can simply move to tool setting and simply select the keyword planner and do your research on your keywords. Remember, make sure to add the double quotation marks so that your keywords should be shown as a phrase. You can target as a phrase match, and negative should be added with those queries where you do not want your ad to be shown. So it can be any word, even if it can be the word free. If someone is looking for a free deal, your ad won't be shown. So it's good to have a negative keyword list, and I over the time constantly try to optimize it so that based on the search queries. So this helps me in improving my sales over the time, and I can get good working with it. So let's say I will be opening one of the test account, so to show you guys on what kind of keywords you can discover. New keywords over here, you can get search volume forecast. So you can select any. So let's say I'm going to discover new keywords. I'm going to write Google ads service. Even I can write my website over here and get results. I can select my target location as well, so Google will find out some queries as well. So now if I do a get results on this, you can see that I am getting some data as well. Local service ads, Google local service ads, Google specialist, Google guaranteed. So I am getting a very good data. But even I'm getting 1,000 keywords. But the best campaign is which has few set of keywords with specific ads. Customized ads with a customized landing page with the customized keywords is a winning formula for Google Ads. So it is not a good idea to add hundreds of keywords in the same campaign. You may get waste because the intent of the user is different with each query. Someone who is searching Google guaranteed or someone who is searching Google Ads specialist may have a different catchy point than someone searches for local service ads. So you need to understand what user is searching or what he has in mind when someone is searching for Google local service ads for realtors. That should have a separate landing page, that should have a separate ad, so that you can exactly pinpoint those users. Which you need to understand the intent. Someone searches for Google PPC ads and someone searching for Google local service ads for realtors, both have a different intent, and that is very important in making a campaign successful. So in case if you guys looking for a professional help with a keyword research, me and my team can help you in not only creating an amazing Google Ads PPC campaign, but can also help you in keyword selection and keyword research as well. And we can also look around on your competitor keywords to see what they are working on. So if you are looking for our services, you can find the details in the description of this video on working with us, me and my team. And if you like this video, make sure to like and subscribe and share my channel, plus press the bell icon so that whenever I create a new video, you guys get a notification regarding this. In case if you have any questions left, you are more than welcome to write in the comments of this video. Once again, thank you for watching. Take care and bye bye.